Hey guys, welcome back. We are going to do lesson 20 for phonics, so let's get busy. I'm going to share my screen with you. All right. Lesson 20, our learning targets. I can complete my spelling test. Woohoo! It's time for our spelling test. I can replace nouns and noun phrases with pronouns, and ask and answer questions about key details in the story, The Frog Jumping Contest. Today is our spelling test. So when we take this test, I'm going to read the word aloud, and then I'm going to use it in a sentence, and I'll give you time to write each word. And at the end, I will go back through the list, and I will read each word one more time, okay? All right, so let's review our list. Spellings for N. Center, nose, and nugget, all spelled with an N. We have running and winter, all spelled with the double N's. And we have knit and kneel spelled with KN, but they all have the N sound. Our tricky word is Y. All right. So let's look at our spelling sheet here. Spelling test, 20 points. All right, here we go. Number 1, nose. Nose. My nose is running. Nose. Number 2, winner. Winner. She is the winner of this race. Winner. Number 3, kneel. Kneel. Can you kneel down beside me? Kneel. Number 4, running. Running. I am running to my house. Running. Number 5, nugget. Nugget. I found a gold nugget in the creek. Nugget. Number 6, center. Center. The center of a Twix candy bar is caramel. Center. Number 7, knit. Knit. My grandma can knit me a sweater. Knit. Number 8, why? Why? Why did the chicken cross the road? Why? All right. So I'll move it up. Let's take it back to our slides in present mode. All right, friends. Pronouns, he, I, she, they, you, we, it. Those are our pronouns that take the place of nouns. It says I'm going to put out cards with these pronouns written on them, but I can't do that, all right? But we are going to go over them. If you think, I'm going to read a sentence, okay? And we're going to replace the noun phrase in the sentence with a pronoun. So Roger and Jack went to the zoo. Who went to the zoo? They went to the zoo. So we replace Roger and Jack with they. Kate ran home. Who ran home? She ran home. So she replaced Kate. Mom and Dad went to dinner. Who went to dinner? They went to dinner. So they replaced Mom and Dad. The snake slithered by. Who slithered by? It slithered by. Snake was replaced by it. Tom jumped up and down. Who jumped up and down? He jumped up and down because Tom was replaced by he. Sam and I had milk with lunch. Who had milk with lunch? They had milk with lunch. Oh, We had milk with lunch. I was wrong. So it's we that replaced Sam and I. The rabbit ate a carrot. Who ate a carrot? It ate a carrot. It replaced rabbit. Dad and I went to a game. Who went to a game? We went to a game. Dad and I was replaced by we. So I and you are also pronouns that take the place of nouns. So let's fill in the following sentences. Reese asked her mom, can blank have a snack? Can I have a snack? Great. Mom said, yes, Reese, blank can have a snack. You. Mom said, Reese, yes, Reese, you can have a snack. Bill asked Fred, do blank have a pen? Do you have a pen? Fred, yes, blank have a pen. Fred said, yes, I have a pen. So now we're going to read the frog jumping contest. Today's story is called the frog jumping contest. Frogs are amphibians, or animals that can live on both land and water. And frogs are great jumpers. So let's look at our spellings. We've got ng with ng for fingers and longer. We've got s spelled with a C, face and race. And then we have our double consonants like hopper and winner. We have the oi sound spelled OI with point and hoist. We also have two syllable words, contest and target. So let's preview some vocabulary here. We have the word contest. Contest, it's an event in which people try to win something. Our next one, on target. It's correct or accurate, going in the right direction, on target. We have hoist, means to rise up, hoist. Champs, meaning champions or winners. So let's find out who wins the frog jumping contest. Okay, frog jumping contest. There is a frog jumping contest at the park this week too. Did you get a frog for the contest, Ken? Grace nods. She sticks her hand in her bag and grabs her frog. The frog sits on her fingers. Cool, Ken says. What's his name? It's a she, says Grace. Her name is Hopper. I got one too, says Ken. His name is Legs. Legs has longer legs than Hopper. There's Legs and Hopper. Grace and Ken take their frogs to the starting line. They set the frogs down. The starter shouts, on your mark, get set, hop, jump. Ken yells, jump. Legs hops off. Hopper jumps too, but she jumps off to the side. No, Hopper, Grace yells, and she runs and grabs her frog. Then she sets her down with her face pointing at the finish line. Hopper hops off. This time she is lined up and on target. Ken and Grace chase their frogs down the track. The frogs are fast and it's a close race. The two frogs cross the finish line at the same time. Did Legs win, Ken asked. Did Hopper win, Grace asked. We have two winners, says the man at the finish line. Hopper and Legs crossed the line at the same time. They will share the prize. The man hands Grace and Ken a cup for their prize. Grace plops Hopper in the cup. Ken adds Legs. Then they hoist the cup up and shout, here's to the champs. There in the cup. All right, so let's go back here. Let's do our discussion questions here. Our discussion questions. What is the name of Grace's frog? Wasn't it Hopper? And what's Ken's frog's name? Legs. Whose frog won that contest? They both win because they cross at the same time. Describe the frog jumping contest. Well, they both went and got a frog. Next, they went and lined up for the contest. Then the said on get set go. And last, they both crossed the finish line at the same time. They were both winners. All right, let's look at worksheet 20.2. All right, 20.2, one. What names of Grace and Ken's frogs? Easy. We just went over that one. What happened to Hopper at the start of the race? What did that Hopper do? She did what? Which frog wins the race? Do you remember? I think we went over that too. Okay. All right, friends, learning targets. I can complete my spelling test. I can replace noun and noun phrases with pronouns, and I can ask and answer questions about key in the story, The Frog Jumping Contest. Well, that is the end of this lesson, and I will see you back here later, friends. Bye.